In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send an email in Outlook. We'll cover Outlook on the web and the new Outlook experience first. Then walk through the classic desktop app, so you can choose the method that matches what you use every day. Let's start with Outlook on the web, or the new Outlook. Begin by composing your email as you normally would. Add your recipient, a clear subject line, and your message. When you are ready, look to the blue Send button and click the small drop-down arrow next to it. From that menu, select Schedule Send. You'll see a few suggested times, like tomorrow morning, which are great for quick choices. If you want full control, choose the option to pick a custom date and time. Once you've set the time that works for you, click Send in the pop-up to confirm. The message won't go out immediately. Instead, it moves to your drafts folder and waits there until it's time to deliver. If you need to change the schedule or cancel it before it sends, just open it from drafts, adjust the time, or send it right away. Keep in mind, those times follow your mailbox time zone. So make sure your account's time zone is correct in settings. Now, if you are using the classic Outlook desktop app, you'll set it up from the message window. With your new message open, go to the Options tab on the ribbon. Click Delay, Delivery. In some layouts, you may find it under More Commands. In the Delivery Options section, check Do Not Deliver Before, then pick the exact date and time you want. Click Close to save those settings and then click Send as you normally would. Unlike the web version, your email is moved to the outbox and will stay there until Outlook sends it at the scheduled time. If you need to revise the schedule, open the message from the outbox. Return to Delay Delivery, adjust or clear Do Not Deliver Before, and send again. One important note for the classic app. Outlook must be open and connected to the internet at the scheduled time for the message to go out. If your computer is shut down or you are offline, it will send the next time Outlook is running and connected. Scheduling your emails helps them land when they're most likely to be seen, and now you know how to do it in both versions. On the web or new Outlook, look for the Send dropdown and confirm in the pop-up. Your message waits in drafts. In the classic app, use Delay Delivery. Your message waits in the outbox. Thanks for watching.